you'll have to go to your browser, then you'll type in you can still pick it from the description below. I'll post it to this website, so you have to click on it, then it will take you to this page. You'll have to click the first ad that will appear, then we'll wait for it to load. And this is, I'm going to show you how to claim Dogecoin, and it will bring you to this page. And first of all, you have to open an account with the Faucet Pay, and I'm going to show you how it looks like and how to open an account with it, and you have to use it to download. So I'm going to click on Faucet Pay.io. Click on it, then it will take you to the other page, and I'm going to show, this is where you will go and take your wallet from. You have to have it is a must you have this wallet. I'm going to show you how to claim your Doge. So I'm opening my wallet. I'm going to pick so it is a must I sign in, since this is a new. So after signing in, this is how it looks from the inside. You see here I have Doge. So whatever I have to do is to click on the deposit icon on the top. Then since we want to claim Doge, we have to take the wallet from the Dogecoin. So click on deposit. So after clicking on deposit, this is where it will bring you. This is the page that will open up. Since we want to claim Doge, we have to go to Doge. Here under Doge there is a wallet there. You will have to long press on it and copy the address, and after that we'll go back and go to our the website that we were supposed to claim from, and this is how it looks. And here you will paste in the address. It's not the wallet, it's called the address. So I'll have to go back to that website. We are still on the same website, so you have to paste in your address that you have copied from your wallet. You have to long press. So you will have to click on this button, the Express Crypto, then you click on the Faucet Pay. That's what we want. And here you will long press on the address, then you click on paste. This down here, these are just ads. So what you have to do is to go down and click on next. You will encounter these are not part of the video, so you'll encounter these when you are claiming. So you just have to go back and make sure you click on the right buttons. So if you want to remove them, you can click on the X red. Click next and wait for it to load. And here you see it is saying receive payment instantly. need create account with Express Crypto or Faucet Pay, the one I told you about. Then claim 100 satoshis every 240 seconds. Withdraw cycle 3 loads. So if you are using Express Crypto, you have to change it to Express Crypto, and if you are using Faucet Pay, you have to click on Faucet Pay and it is under the choose payment process, so you have to click on it the way I showed you earlier, then put in the wallet. So you have to click on Express the way I showed you. Click on Express Crypto, and if you click here on the Express Crypto, it will show you the other payment process, which is the Faucet Pay. So we'll wait for it, but copy the address and paste it under the address box. Then we have to change and put the Faucet Pay. After doing that, you'll click on, we have to remove these ads. So it will take us to here. You have to confirm we are not robots, we are human beings. Then after being cleared, we'll click on next. Don't rush, this is a long process. I know there is a lot of ads here, but if you want to get free money, this is the way to go. So it will bring you to this captcha, and you have to put in exactly the letters as they are. So first of all, I'll have to change to insert those letters there. There is U, there is C, there is N, there is Y, there is D, and there is R. These are small letters, so you have to do exactly the same as they have shown you. Then click on claim. So, and I'm claiming Doge. I'll go back and show you that my Doge has increased. This is not a fake website, it is real. And here they have sent a message showing that you will be sent to index after 50 reloads. When you get the load limit, you can log in again and continue receiving the crypto. So that's how it is. We have to wait for 240 seconds before we come back. And that's, I think it's so that is how you claim your Doge. I noticed that it has been a long video, but make sure you follow the steps before you get your Doge. So I'm going to show you. They need to bring a message showing that I've received the Doge. If not, so I'll click on next. They need to show the message. Make sure they show the message that you have received the Doge before you leave the website. So that's how you claim your Doge. And I'm going to show you the Doge on my account that they have increased, and I've gotten it from this website. So I'll go back to my wallet and click on overview. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something from this website, and if you want to see more withdrawals, please comment on the comment section below. Thank you.